This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate, starting from the raw cacao bean. First, carefully open the cacao pods and remove the beans, which are encased in a sweet, white pulp. Next, place these beans in a covered bowl and allow them to ferment for approximately 7 days. This crucial step develops the rich, complex flavors we associate with delicious chocolate. After fermentation, it's time to roast our cacao beans. Spread them on a tray and bake at around 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour until they are deeply browned. Once cooled, gently crack the roasted beans to loosen their outer shells. Then, carefully winnow, or separate, the crunchy cacao nibs from the lighter, unwanted husks. Now for the magic. Take your roasted cacao nibs and place them into a powerful grinder. As they grind, the friction and cocoa butter release, transforming the nibs into a thick, flowing chocolate liquor. Continue this process until it's incredibly smooth, which can take several hours. You can also slowly incorporate sugar to sweeten your chocolate to taste. The final step is tempering, which gives chocolate its beautiful shine and snap. Melt your chocolate to 114 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 91 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring. This precise temperature control ensures proper crystallization. Finally, pour the tempered chocolate into your desired molds and let it cool completely to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.